Good afternoon, folks. Dennis from Interstate Auto Auction, 20 Hampshire Road, Salem, New Hampshire. A short 31 miles north of Boston, 4 hours north of New York City. Folks, it's Friday afternoon. Most people are getting ready to wind down, relax, go on vacation for the weekend, for the week, or whatever. Here at Interstate Auto Auction, we're working hard for you. And the reason why I'm smiling like I always am every Friday afternoon, I love to educate you on how you're going to purchase your next car for 50% off of retail value. Right behind me is a beautiful example of a 1998 528i automatic, leather seats, glass roof, beautiful paint, beautiful condition. The inside of this car doesn't have a flaw in it. Folks, I'm not begging you to buy this car from Interstate Auto Auction. I'm asking you to come down and let us show you how to buy a car at auction. Folks, come on over and take a look at the inside of this car. You name your price here at Interstate Auto Auction. The prices aren't listed on the cars. We're not going to have pushy sales guys showing you around. If you're not intelligent enough to know that this is a beautiful example of a 1998 BMW